Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. In this video and in this article, what I've written, I've compared the Pisces new moon chart of the year 2020-21 and the Pisces new moon chart of the year 2021-22. And I find that hard malefics are influencing the 1-7 axis of the Lagna, and especially in the Hindu new moon year of 2021-22, Mars and Rahu, the hard malefics are in the ascendant, and especially a hard malefic like Mars is most malefic at the time of 2020-21. Mars and Saturn were in the 7th house, and we have seen what all happened. So let me compare and give you the outcome of the same. I find that we are no better than 2020 as far as the virus is concerned. I have written n number of articles on the virus spread, and all are proving spot on. The first article was written on 17 September 2019, and in this article I had predicted that the virus will come from China, and all my predictions up till now, till date, have proved spot on. Now in this article I'm going to compare the planetary positions of the Hindu new moon chart of the 24th March 2020, 14:58 hours. You can have a look up at the chart, and then the chart of what do you call the chart of the 12th April 2021. So I will just read out all the predictions here. Then the chart is of Taurus Lagna. In the year 2020, the chart was of Cancer Lagna, and in both cases the Namamsha is of Aquarius. The Saturn malefic Namamsha is rising. First of all, the Panchang. The Panchang on 2020-21 was the day was Tuesday, and now the day is Monday. The Lord of the year in 2020 was Mercury, and the Lord now is Mars. The minister in the 2020 was Moon, and now it is Mars. The star, the nakshatra was Uttara Bhadrapad, and now it is Revati. The yoga was Brahma, now it is Vadrati. The karna was Kimsughana, and now it is Naga. Now looking at all these parameters, Mars as the minister, as the king and minister of the year, is most malefic. Then the Revati star is a Gandan star, and Vadrati is also not a good yoga, and the karna is also not good. If you look at the Panchang parameters, they are the worst as compared to 2020. Now, common factors in the above two charts. Hard malefics in the Kendra in the 1-7 axis, and especially for 2021-22, Mars and Rahu in the ascendant and Rahu in Rohini star until the 20th September 2021. Saturn aspect in both cases, the luminaries, Sun and Moon in both cases, the life-giving force. Lord of the year 2020, Mercury in the 8th house in Bapkartra Yoga. In 2021, Mars in Angarak Yoga in the Lagna as the 12th and the 7th Lord. Aroha Kalsarp Yoga at the time of 2020. Now partial Kalsarp Yoga, since Mars is just out of the grip of Rahu. Most malefic Greh Malika Yoga starting from Mars to Saturn. All the planets are within this preview, and it starts from Mars and then it ends at Saturn. Most enigmatic, the 4th house and the 4th Lord Venus afflicted in 2020, and now the Sun, the 4th Lord and the 4th house are both afflicted. In both cases they are afflicted by Saturn and Mars. Saturn 7th Lord influencing the Lagna in 2020, and now 7th Lord Mars in the Lagna. In 2020, 7th and 8th Lord Saturn influencing the Lagna. Now the 7th and the 12th Lord is in the Lagna and with Rahu. Mars in both cases is hard malefic, influencing the 1/7 Lagna, and in 2021 in the ascendant is most malefic parameter. In both cases, 8th Lord in Kendra. In 2020, Saturn was in Kendra, now Jupiter is in Kendra because of the Taurus Lagna. Now next, in both, disease Karka Ketu in 2020 in Mula star, and now it is in Jessa star. Both are malefic stars and of Gandanta. Navamsha in both cases is Aquarius, a malefic sign of Saturn. In Navamsha, 6th Lord Jupiter afflicted in Rashi and Navamsha. In 2021, 6th Lord Venus is Vargotam, but it has got exchange with Mars and it is placed in the 12th house. So little respite. In Navamsha, Sun debilitated and Moon with Moon, and in 2020 and in 2021, Sun and Moon both aspected by Mars and Saturn. In Navamsha in 2020, Saturn in own Navamsha Lagna. In 2021, Saturn is with Rahu. 6th Lord Jupiter was fallen between 30th June to 20th November 2020, and now the 8th Lord Jupiter in 2021 will be fallen from the 14th September to 20th November 2021. In 2020, Mars, the 5th and the 10th Lord, was fallen from the 4th October to 24th December 2020. Now in 2021, the 10th Lord Saturn will be with fallen Jupiter, the 8th Lord, from the 14th September to 20th November. Now 2 planets were fallen in 2020. That is the most malefic time frame. But now here Jupiter is again fallen and it is the 8th Lord. Earlier it was the 6th Lord, now it is the 8th Lord. The affliction in the D6 and D8 chart in both cases is more in the case of D in the 2021 chart. Peak of 2020 was in September. Now it seems from middle of April to June 2021 and specifically till 10th May 2021. From the above, it is crystal clear that the year 2021-22 Hindu New Moon chart is not an auspicious one for the virus, and hence till 20th November 2021 we may not get major relief. Also, as per the time frames mentioned in my earlier articles, ease of virus can only take place slowly after the 10th May, 10th August, 20th September, 20th November, then 17th March 2022, and finally after the 8th February 2023. The vaccines may help, but in totality, as far as comparing it with the Spanish flu, I am giving you these dates. Lockdowns. The first lockdown was implemented on the evening of 24th March 2020. Now the Maharashtra, the lockdown has been implemented today, just after the Hindu new moon chart. I have already predicted Maharashtra will be the state which will be affected the most, looking at the Kurma Chakra, and the predictions have also proved spot on. From the above, it is clear that the situations may become grave and more lockdowns may have to be implemented after the 24th April 2021, as can be seen from the Veda between Mars and Saturn in the Rashi and Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra, and especially till the 18th May 2021. These dates are also dates of enforcement. So this is all, friends, I just wanted to share. And things are becoming grave every day, and I've written about 8-9 articles. Please go through them. And this is all I just wanted to share. And thank you for listening to me. Have a good day and best of luck.